In this training, we're going to talk about verbal de-escalation and how important that is in churches. So having good verbal skills, it doesn't matter what ministry you're in, having good verbal skills is vital to the effectiveness of your ministry. To be able to de-escalate a situation that may happen is key, because you don't want to escalate something to where you're going to have to deal with it in a different manner. So every ministry that I know of, every ministry that I talk with, deals with people that have escalated a situation far beyond what it actually is. So today what we're going to talk about is verbal skills for ministry and how to best do that, how to best de-escalate a situation. Let's move into the tactical 8-step concept. We're going to load up a couple of these here because they all kind of tie together. We want to start with an appropriate greeting with your name, and then also where you're from. Hi, my name's Dan. I work in the children's department, and I just want to stop you for a second because I want to make sure that you have a child here, or can I help you with something? Traits of a professional. High visibility means you're not just hiding in the corners. You're out there, you're greeting, you're smiling. If you're on the safety and security team for your church, you're not the sanctified Secret Service standing in the corner with your arms crossed, dark sunglasses, and a suit, right? When a situation arises, what is the goal of having a professional intervention with the individual that's causing that situation? We want to generate voluntary compliance. So when I'm talking with if we're talking to each other, I'm going to face him, but I might be offset a little bit from him, just a little bit. My hands are going to be up in this motion, up here, okay? Not like his or in his pocket here, because if I have to defend myself or block something, I don't know. He could lunge at me really quickly, all right, with his other hand. I don't know what his, he could be really amped up in this. So this is where I'm taking a little bit like this, but I'm keeping a little bit of a distance. This is more of a personal space, isn't it? Right. Yeah, it makes you nervous, doesn't it? Yeah, yeah. So you saw how he reacted. He didn't want me in that space.